We've seen the installation process of the IKEA RIAN stool. This is a side stool, so which comes with this 3 leg extensions and a base, which is like this. The stool is pretty sturdy, and yeah, for 799 rupees you can't expect more. So this is the top view. This is how it looks, and then the legs and the base. So the screws go like this, so they directly bolt to the plate. Yeah, so they directly bolt to the plate. And here there is another screws which bolt from the inside. So this is how it is. I hope you enjoy this video, and it's a pretty nice tool. Show it from a top angle. This is how the side angle is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one.